Stop by and take a look at the 2021 Sierra 1500. This vehicle is powered by a 4-cylinder, 2.7-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 95,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: 4-wheel drive, daytime running lamps, fog lamps, Inside you'll find steering wheel, audio controls, cruise control, power outlet, compass. The GMC Sierra is a full-size pickup with all the functionality you could expect. With multiple trim levels, the GMC Sierra provides a wide range of features for you to enjoy. Power and advanced technology can both be found in this fantastic truck. Immerse yourself in pure bliss as you cruise along, leaving your worries behind.